Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on opening CMD or PowerShell from within a folder on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To do it, start by navigating to the folder that you want to launch PowerShell in. Now just hold down the Shift button on your keyboard whilst you right-click the mouse. Click on Open PowerShell window here. This option only appears if you hold down Shift while you right-click. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.